Long after the muddy trenches of World War I, drone technology did not vanish. It went underground into secret labs, hidden airfields, and the hands of engineers who would push it further than anyone imagined. The world was at war again. This time, the stakes were higher, the weapons deadlier, and the experiments far more terrifying. In 1944, the United States launched Operation Aphrodite, a plan that sounds like science fiction today. B-17 and B-24 bombers, stripped of crews, packed with explosives. Pilots parachuting out moments before takeoff. Remote controls steering the deadly aircraft toward enemy targets. Most missions failed. Some drones crashed before reaching their objective. Others veered off wildly, killing civilians by accident. It was dangerous, unpredictable, but the first true suicide drones had taken flight. Meanwhile, across the Atlantic, Nazi Germany experimented with astonishingly advanced prototypes. The Horten Ho 229, a jet-powered flying wing, wasn't just an aircraft, it was an early experiment in stealth. Pilots trained in secret, engineers calculated every angle, every shadow. These designs would later inspire modern stealth aircraft like the B-2 Spirit. Not all experiments were glamorous. Some were failures that would become legendary. The Insectothopter, a tiny dragonfly-shaped drone, buzzed over enemy lines with a camera. Project Pluto aimed to create a nuclear-powered missile that never launched. Most of these projects never saw action, but they pushed the limits of imagination, technology, and human ambition. On the battlefield, soldiers watched the skies nervously. Some noticed tiny flying machines drifting overhead. Others never knew what hit them. The evolution of warfare had entered a new era, one where humans could be removed from direct danger and machines would carry the burden or the death. Drone POV scanning enemy positions. Soldiers reacting in shock and awe. Smoke and fog drifting across devastated battlefields. Gears and mechanical systems highlighted in close-up. These experiments were dangerous, sometimes deadly, but they laid the foundation for today's autonomous drones. From secret labs to the skies of today, the evolution continues. Every failed experiment, every classified project, led to the autonomous weapons we see in modern warfare. And this story is far from over. The line between human and machine in war has been crossed, and it will never go back.